So one or two things. Number one, if anybody's having trouble with their ASCII art, I did that on purpose. I wanted to kind of give you a couple hours to sort of at least try and figure it out for yourself. We're going to have to do a lot of that when we're in here, but I want to go over it. So what you want to understand is that this print ln statement, it actually skips a line on its own. And there's also just a print without the ln. The ln obviously stands for line, and it just skips a line after your statement. So if I say, so if I had another one, let's say I wanted to make like a cool thing like that, and then I run this. What'd I do? Oh, don't forget your semicolons, kids. See how it does that and then skips a line? Well, we also have regular print. We also have regular print here that does not skip a line. So if I did it like this, here. Does that make sense so far? Okay, hang on a second. Can we not talk when I'm talking, please? It's important. Make sure you pay attention. And also, I'm screencasting this, so it'll be up on the website when you go back there. I'll upload it to the website. So if you want to just pay attention right now and not try and do it as you're going, you can always go back and look at it later. So the other thing we want to talk about is special characters. Some of your ASCII arts have backslashes, right? And the backslash in Java is an escape character. So if you put it next to anything, it says to Java, hey, that character, the next character to the right, that's a special character, I want you to not process that as a special character and just print it out as normal, is basically what it says. So if you have like a quote, right? Like let's say I wanted to put a quote in here. You see how it screws this up and turns it gray, and then if I run it, it gives me an error, right? That's because this quote is a special character. It says I'm going to outline a string with that. So if I want to print it out as normal, I just have to put a backslash in front of it. And if I run again, it works just fine. Okay? The other thing is some of your ASCII art has a backslash in it. So you actually want to print out the backslash. So if I did this, that'll cause an error too, right? Because it's saying the next special character, which is this one to the right, it's going to screw that up. So what I got to do is I have to backslash the backslash, which is really weird. That'll bake your noodle a bit. And then it prints out as normal. Does that make sense? So just remember, if you're running into special characters like that, or one of your lines doesn't work, look through it for quotes, parentheses, or backslashes. And if any of those are causing an error, just throw another little backslash in front of them.